Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to merge two playlists on Spotify. You can merge more than two playlists on Spotify of your choice. All you just have to do is this. This is my two playlists, liked songs on music.com. I want to take the songs in my music.com to my liked song playlist. What I have to do is this. Tap on the three dots at the right corner of each song. Tap on add to other playlist, then tap on like song. Done. Next you do the same thing. Tap on it, tap on add song, tap on the playlist that you wish to send it to. Then it has been added to like song. That will, if I check my playlist that I'm matching it with, you can see that the songs have been added to liked songs playlist. That is it. If you want to add more than three playlists, merge more than three playlists, it is possible just this way. You copy and you send it to the playlist that you wish to add it to. So guys, that is it on how to merge two playlists on Spotify, sorry. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, share, and don't forget to leave your comment on the comment section. Thank you.